Wimbledon and by some sort of a miracle saint, Wimbledon have got here.
Yeah, I like the tip for Barry. I like that.
Oh, you're impressed with that, aren't you? Yeah.
Well, Jimmy and I are standing out here in the sunshine inside the Celebrity Bar, no doubt, with a few guests lined up and a few bottles of champers. That lovely couple.
Say that again.
Jimmy Tarbuck and Gloria Hunniford.
Well, listen, how about that? There they are, arsenic and old jokes out there on the terrace, Jimmy.
Yes, the Batman and Robin of television, the romantic duo.
That's right. I did Batman and Robin. They haven't worked for 20 years either, have
That's
they?
true. Well, we've got so many stars here today, ladies and gentlemen. It's like open day at the Betty Ford Clinic, isn't it, Gloria?
They have come from all four corners of the bar, don't you think so, Jimmy?
They certainly have. Let's see, we got David Frost.
And we've got Rod Stewart.
Rod Stewart.
Sailing.
Bobby Moore.
Eddie Grant.
Lloyd Hunnigan.
We've got Gordon Thompson from
Gordon
Dynasty.
Thompson from Dynasty.
Yes.
Is it one of your favourite shows, they tell me?
Well, I'll tell you. The shoulder pads, you know, I've got the shoulder pads from Dynasty today.
Yes,
but it's going to be terrific atmosphere at the bar. Wonderful.
All right, over now to Mr. Ian St. John.
Tell you what, they got Murray and Shandon there as well, haven't they?
Look at the business. Well, of course, this final, we hope, will be all about action, and Jimmy and I have plenty of that coming up later. But I can assure you there's plenty of punch in what we have to offer from now right up until kick-off time. We've Iron Mike Tyson, the undefeated heavyweight champion of the world. Can he handle the overweight champion of ITV Sport? It's Tyson against Greavesy coming soon. We're on the Liverpool coach as they head for Wembley looking to clinch a second league and cup double in only 2 years. Martin Tyler is our man with the Super Reds. We join football's elite at the Bell's Manager of the Year lunch at the Savoy. And it's from there, Cup final managers Kenny Dalglish and Bobby Gold join in Muro's Memories by Muro's touch of Wembley nostalgia. And it's loads of money time at 1:25 as Harry Enfield makes a special cup final appearance. And look out for Stavros a little earlier. Well, last year, Daley Thompson was the star of the Calibre Challenge. Who will be victorious today? We've David Frost's Wimbledon Dons against Jimmy Tarbuck's Liverpool Reds. Well, James, you've met Tyson before, Big Frank Bruno.
I did.
Any tips for the big fella?
Yes. Don't turn up, Frank.
Well, Frank's coming later, be careful. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
All right, now, that special Greavesy report with Mike Tyson's come up later, and we'll be joined, as I said, by Big Frank in person. But for now, let's concentrate on the football. And as kick-off time gets ever nearer, the players' nerves naturally get a little tighter. But how have both camps coped? Well, time now for us to join our men with the teams, and first, it's Martin Tyler with Liverpool.